Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to use the split screen feature on this laptop. So to enable the split screen feature, you have to open at least two separate windows, and then in order to use them in split screen, you have to grab the top bar of any of these windows and drag it to the top of the screen. Then select one of the positions for one of the windows. As you can see, you can place up to 4 different windows on your laptop's display. So let's put this window on the right side by selecting this position right here, and then click on the other window to put it on the position on the left, to the position on the left. Okay, and right now you can change the size of each window by dragging this bar between them, and this way you can use both applications at the same time. So that's how the split screen feature works on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.